57 AC and furnace installation leads within 14 days of launching this Facebook ads campaign with a total ad spend of $1,121. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how we set up these Facebook ads campaigns and how we help home improvement companies consistently get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately grow the business past 7 figures without relying on buying shared leads. And here's just a few screenshots of whenever a lead is generated, we instantly send that lead over to our end clients where they can call and book that in-home estimate. And if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Peyton Rasti, and my agency does lead generation for home improvement companies, helping them get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately grow their business. And for context, since 2020, we've generated over $20 million in sales for our clients. We've spent over $3 million in ad spend, and we generate over 4,000 leads on a monthly basis across all of our clients, which are 100% exclusive. All right, now the biggest factor of whether you're going to have a successful ad campaign or not is going to be the offer, and number two is going to be the ad creatives. And these two are truly what we have control over, because the heavy lifting is going to be done by Meta in terms of finding the right people and showing the ads to the right people at the right time. For our clients here, here's the offer stack basically. So furnace and AC installed starting from $6,800, 10-year parts and labor warranty, free smart thermostat for the next 7 installs only, and next day installations. Now, the reason we're getting such low cost per lead with this campaign is obviously our clients has a competitive price in their market. And the second is we want to have some sort of prices in the ads, because this is going to pre-qualify the leads in terms of the budget, and you're going to be dealing with better prospects. Next is going to be 10-year parts and labor warranty. And then we have a free smart thermostat for the next 7 installs, just to incentivize people to take action now rather than later. And we've also added next day installations. So once we come up with the offer, it's time to create the ads. Now we test videos, images, and all that and see, what works. And at the moment, this video is outperforming the images, but we always start out, with a video and images as well. So once we get the offers and the ads created, it's time to run the ads. Now we run the ads on Meta, which is going to be Facebook and Instagram. And in terms of targeting, we keep it simple. Again, the targeting is going to be done by Meta, to show these ads to the people who are most interested in, say, furnace installation, AC installation, whatever service we're advertising. Now, for targeting, we can target by zip code, city, radius, and all that. And for this client, we're running a 50-mile radius. For age, we're going after 34 to 64 plus, because these are most likely homeowners. So we don't want to go any younger than 34, because they probably don't got, a house. And male, female. And for placement, we always run the ads on Facebook, Instagram, feeds, and reels. And we run these ads on mobile devices only, because over 80% of the traffic these days comes through mobile devices. So we don't even bother with desktop. So once the prospects see the ads, we're gonna have a call to action, which is gonna say, get quote. So once they click on it, we're gonna take them through our rigorous qualification process, where we want to have the leads pre-qualify themselves before submitting the form. So question number one would be, are you a homeowner? Approximate footage of the property, how old is the current HVAC system, and how soon they want to have the new system installed. This is an important question here. Now we have logic on the back end of these forms. So say if you don't want to let anybody come through, if they select, not sure, still budgeting, we can just disqualify them so they don't even come through as a lead. Or say if they're not a homeowner, we could just disqualify them right on the form. And at the end, we're going to ask full name, email, phone number, zip code, and we can ask, any other questions that we want. But these are the main ones. Now, once the leads submit the form, we're not going to assume that they're legit leads right away, because on Facebook, you're going to have people who will fill out the form out of curiosity. Some are going to put a wrong phone number, and some are just not as serious. So we have this backend automation that works 24/7 on autopilot, which is going to send an SMS to the leads as soon as they come in. And this is going to do 2 things. Number one, it's going to make sure that they've given us their correct phone number, which is going to increase contact rates. And number two is going to just confirm one more time that they're actually serious. So the text is going to sound something like the following. Hey, Alex, just saw you fill out a form on Facebook for our AC furnace combo starting from $6,800 installed. Reply yes to confirm this is the best number, and we'll book your free estimate. Now, our system is going to wait for them to reply with a yes. Once we get a yes, then the system is going to automatically reply back saying, okay, thanks for confirming. We'll give you a call to book that estimate. Now, the moment they reply with a yes is the moment we're going to send that lead instantly to our end clients via SMS and email so they can call and book that in-home estimate. Now, in case they don't reply to our first SMS, that's not a problem. We're going to have 3 more follow-ups that go out. So the next one would go out after 10 minutes, which sounds something like this. Still interested in a free quote? Reply yes, and we'll schedule a time that works for you. Now, all we want them to do is reply with a yes, so we know they're serious, because not only these leads go through all that pre-qualification forms, but they've also replied with a yes, so we know they're more serious. If they don't reply, they just go down the trash. So second follow-up after 10 minutes. If they don't reply to that, we have the third follow-ups after an hour, and then our last follow-up after 4 hours. And for the bad leads that are putting invalid phone numbers, they replied they're not interested or they just opted out, they go down the trash and our end clients never even going to see them. And for the leads who do reply with a yes, again, we're going to send that leads over to our end clients via SMS and email instantly so they can call or book that in-home estimate. And this is going to be all the information that the leads fill out on the instant form on Facebook: name, email, phone number, zip code if they're a homeowner, age of the current HVAC system, property size, and how soon they're looking to start. And that's it for this video. Now, if you own an HVAC business or a home improvement business and you're looking to consistently get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately grow your business without relying on share leads or referrals, I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video. You can book a call with me. We'll go over a quick 15-minute phone call, see where you're at, where you're trying to go, and see if this system makes sense for your business. And that's all. Thanks for watching.